Welcome back to Honda Accord Review, your go-to destination for the latest insights into the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into a car that has stood the test of time, evolved through decades, and continues to redefine what a midsize sedan should be. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda Accord, a car that doesn't just meet expectations, but consistently exceeds them. For over 4 decades, the Honda Accord has built its reputation on reliability, comfort, and refinement. And in 2026, Honda has pushed the envelope once again, delivering a model that blends advanced technology, premium aesthetics, and performance upgrades into a complete, well-balanced package. Whether you're a longtime Accord fan or just stepping into the world of mid-size sedans, the 2026 Accord promises something new, something bold, and something distinctly Honda. At first glance, the design of the 2026 Accord is sleek and futuristic. Honda has taken an evolutionary approach here, keeping the signature proportions while giving the sedan a sharper, more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is bolder than ever with a new diamond mesh grille, full-width LED lighting, and angular air intakes that give the car a wide, aggressive stance. The new design language is more mature, yet still youthful. Balance Honda knows how to strike so well. Moving along the side, the sculpted character lines and flush door handles speak volumes about Honda's attention to aerodynamics and visual flow. The 19-inch alloy wheels, available on the touring trims, bring a sense of luxury and athleticism. Around back, the taillights are slimmer and more integrated, connected by a light bar that gives the rear a tech-savvy, modern vibe. The Accord has grown slightly in length, enhancing interior space while improving its road presence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that rivals luxury brands in terms of design and materials. Honda has truly stepped up its game. The 2026 Accord offers a minimalist dashboard with a clean layout, highlighted by a massive 15.1-inch touchscreen infotainment display that floats above the center stack. This is Honda's biggest screen to date, featuring Google built-in, wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The user interface is intuitive, fast, and responsive, creating a seamless digital experience. Behind the wheel, the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers access to everything from navigation to safety alerts. The quality of materials is exceptional throughout. Soft-touch surfaces, stitched leatherette, brushed aluminum accents, and a redesigned center console make the cabin feel premium. Even the base trims come well appointed, while the higher trims feel like entry-level luxury cars. Seating is another strong point for the 2026 Accord. Honda has added more support to the front seats and optimized cushioning for long-distance comfort. Heated and ventilated front seats are available, and the touring hybrid trim includes heated rear seats as well. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom thanks to the longer wheelbase, and the Accord still boasts one of the largest trunks in its class at over 16.7 cubic feet. Whether you're doing a road trip or hauling groceries, the Accord makes it effortless. Now let's talk about performance, because the 2026 Accord doesn't just look good, it drives even better. Honda is continuing its two-pronged approach with powertrains for those who love a traditional gas-powered engine. The base LX and X trims come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 192 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission that has been tuned for improved responsiveness and fuel efficiency. But the real headline here is the hybrid system, available in Sport Hybrid, XL Hybrid, Sportel Hybrid, and Touring Hybrid trims. The setup pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. The total system output is 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. What this translates to is smooth, torquey acceleration and impressive fuel economy. In fact, the hybrid versions are expected to deliver up to 51 mpg in the city and 48 mpg on the highway, depending on the trim. Driving the 2026 Accord is an absolute pleasure. The ride quality is supple, composed, and quiet even on rougher roads. Honda has upgraded the suspension for better control without sacrificing comfort. Steering is sharp and direct, giving you confidence in corners, while the regenerative braking in the hybrid models feels natural and unobtrusive. Whether you're cruising on the freeway or maneuvering through tight city streets, the Accord feels agile, planted, and refined. When it comes to safety, Honda continues to lead the way. Every 2026 Accord comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, and now, a new driver attention monitor. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are standard on most trims. while higher trims add low-speed follow and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Another standout addition in the 2026 Accord is Honda's latest voice assistant integration, powered by Google. You can now say, "Hey Google," to control navigation, climate settings, audio, and even connected smart home devices. The system works flawlessly and adds a layer of convenience that puts the Accord at the forefront of automotive tech. Plus, with Google Maps integrated into the instrument cluster, navigating has never been easier. The Touring Hybrid trim also features a new premium 12-speaker Bose audio system that delivers rich, immersive sound, whether you're blasting your favorite playlist or listening to a podcast. The cabin acoustics make every journey enjoyable. Honda has also made some improvements to the 2026 Accord. The interior features recycled materials in certain trim elements, and the hybrid battery system has been re-engineered for greater efficiency and longer life. The car is also pre-wired for over-the-air software enhancements, meaning the Accord can continue improving long after you drive it off the lot. Let's talk pricing. The base LX starts around $28,500, while the X trim comes in at roughly $30,800. The hybrid lineup begins with the Sport Hybrid at around $32,500 and tops out with the Touring Hybrid at just under $40,000. Given the level of technology, comfort, and performance you're getting, the Accord remains one of the best values in the segment. But what really makes the 2026 Honda Accord special is its ability to offer something for everyone. It's practical for families, stylish for young professionals, efficient for commuters, and enjoyable for anyone who simply loves to drive. Honda has managed to stay true to the Accord's core identity while pushing it into a new era of sophistication and innovation. And as the automotive world shifts increasingly toward electrification, Honda's hybrid strategy with the Accord shows they're thinking ahead without alienating traditional buyers. It's a smart, balanced approach that keeps the Accord relevant, competitive, and desirable. To sum it all up, the 2026 Honda Accord is a masterclass in evolution. It's not just better, it sets a new standard for what a midsize sedan can be. With its striking design, tech-forward cabin, hybrid efficiency, and legendary reliability, it's hard to find a reason not to love this car. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Car Review. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Accord, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the new Accord, and would you go for the hybrid or stick with the turbo? Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the road ahead. This is Auto Car Review, signing off.